Get in, to enter. Please get in the car. They didn't get in until late at night. Put on, to wear or apply. She put on her favorite dress for the party. Don't forget to put on sunscreen at the beach. Look after, to take care of. Can you look after my cat while I'm away? She looks after her younger siblings. Get together, to meet with someone. Let's get together for coffee next week. We should get together to celebrate your birthday. Take off, to remove or depart. He took off his shoes at the entrance. The plane will take off at 3 p.m. Break down, to stop functioning. My car broke down on the highway. She broke down in tears during watch the documentary. Call off, to cancel. They called off the meeting due to bad weather. The event was called off last minute. Bring up, to raise a topic. She brought up an interesting point. Don't bring up politics at dinner. Come over, to visit someone. Why don't you come over for dinner? She often comes over to help with the kids. Get along, to have a friendly relationship. I get along well with my neighbors. They didn't get along when they first met. Turn down, to reject or refuse. He turned down the job offer. Take over, to assume control. The new manager will take over next month. She took over the project when he left. Work out, to exercise or resolve. I work out at the gym 3 times a week. We need to work out the details of the plan. Go out, to leave home for social activities. We went out for dinner last night. She likes to go out with friends on weekends. Run out, to deplete supplies. We ran out of coffee this morning. The team ran out of time before finishing. Give up, to stop trying. Don't give up on your dreams. She gave up smoking last year. Figure out, to understand or solve. I can't figure out this math problem. She figured out how to fix the issue. Hang out, to spend time casually. Do you want to hang out this weekend? They like to hang out at the mall. Check in, to register upon arrival. We need to check in at the hotel by 3 p.m. Please check in with the front desk when you arrive. Check out. To leave or examine. We need to check out of the hotel by noon. Let's check out that new restaurant. Call back. To return a phone call. I'll call you back later. She forgot to call back her friend. Carry on. To continue. Please carry on with your work. They decided to carry on despite the challenges. Come across. To find by chance. I came across an old photo while cleaning. He came across some interesting facts in his research. Drop off. To deliver someone or something. Can you drop me off at the station? I'll drop off the package at the post office.
Wake up. To stop sleeping. I wake up at 6:30 every day. It's hard to wake up early during winter. Get up. To rise from bed. I get up immediately after my alarm goes off. On weekends, I like to get up later.
Dust furniture. Wipe down all surfaces to remove dust and allergens. Vacuum carpets. Use a vacuum cleaner to pick up dirt and debris from carpets and rugs. Mop floors. Clean hard floors with a damp mop to remove stains and grime. Clean windows. Use glass cleaner to make windows streak-free and clear. Look for. To search. I'm looking for my keys. He's looking for a new job.
Look for. To search. I'm looking for my keys. He's looking for a new job.
Put off. To postpone. They put off the meeting until next week. Don't put off your homework until the last minute.
Put off. To postpone. They put off the meeting until next week. Don't put off your homework until the last minute.
Bring about. To cause something to happen. The new law will bring about significant change. His hard work brought about a promotion.
Bring about. To cause something to happen. The new law will bring about significant change. His hard work brought about a promotion.
Make up. to reconcile or invent. They had a fight but made up quickly. She made up an excuse for being late.
Make up. To reconcile or invent. They had a fight but made up quickly. She made up an excuse for being late.